Hi! Hello! Are you excited? Alright. Wow, si Madam. Mama Tin! Okay guys, we are already here at the airport. Hi Mika! And right now, kakatapos ko lang magbayad ng travel tax and may assistance ang Cebu Pacific for, actually hindi kami self-check-in but they already scanned the passport and later I have to go to the check-in counter kasi meron kaming excess baggage so I have to pay for that. And yeah, we're excited to do this. At syempre, excited kasi dito na naman kami sa Clark International Airport. Ibang-ibag. Hello guys, mga pamangkings at pamangqueens, Tito Hans new here. This is going to be a very special vlog because we are going on an international trip this time with the kids. Naalala nyo ba tong video na to guys? Panoorin nyo. Namimiss mo ako? Why are you crying? Don't cry for me. How about you? Why are you crying,
Oh, dito
little
ka
girl?
Kasya kayo dyan.
Kasya. Malungkot ka, Isitan? Ha? Don't be sad. There, yun yung 2022 trip ko sa Thailand. And hinatid nila ako sa airport. At umiyak-iyak sila kasi sabi ko sa kanila, 2 years akong hindi uuwi. So, yun, they were just really very small kids during that time. Siyempre, nakakaiyak yun kasi, nakita mo na sobrang lungkot nila. But, hindi naman totoo yun. Dahil 2 years after that, eto na kami ngayon, magkakasama na! Yes! We are finally flying together, going to Hong Kong. So, this video is, we are trying our best to make a beautiful video. Not just for us, but for everybody who's gonna be watching this. So, again, for you watching this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at maging official na pamangkings at pamangqueens ka na. At sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-follow and like and share, these are my socials. So, don't forget to follow me, drop a comment, and I hope you guys could enjoy everything that we do here on our channel and on our social media networks. Alright? Enjoy! Yes. Ate is having mango shake and cookie. Alright, thank you. Wow. Is that your favorite, ate? How about you, Mika? The mango shake is Mika's. Tapos, kay ate is what? What is that? Watermelon shake. How was it? Patikim. Lasang pakwan. Okay, so magsi-selfie si Shobe. Ama. So naglaro na nga po ang mga bata. Kakatapos lang naman sa immigration, wala namang naging aberya. So thank you Lord. Bakit ganun? Okay, wala kang ginagawang masama pero parang feeling pag dumaan ka sa immigration, scrutinize ka nila. Scrutinize. So nandito na kami sa gate namin. This is our gate, gate 9. Hindi pa siya open. So, tulog muna tayo. Hi kids! Are you excited? There's an airplane, no? Nandun na, oh. So, it's 4:30. Pero maaga pa. 6:15 pa lang daw yung mag-open to boarding. So, pahinga muna tayo kasi wala pa akong tulog simula kahapon. So, there. Okay guys, yung nakatiisan tito nyo at si mother. So, habang naghihintay, may tayo ng Mary Grace. Soft drinks yan. Si mami may dala na barquillos. Hello mga pamangkings, update lang. Nakapasok na tayo dito sa boarding gate natin. And okay naman yung immigration process. Smooth naman siya. Wala naman masyadong tinanong. Pero yun, habang magsi-CR muna tayo kasi ingin ako kanina pa. So ayun, tapos na tayo mag-restroom guys. Where was I? Ayun, immigration process went smooth. Okay naman. So maaga-aga kami. We are boarding dito sa gate 9. Yan. Hey! Hey TikTok girls! Okay, hi guys. Hindi ako makatulog. So, ang ginawa ko na lang, na-realize ko kasi wala kaming booking sa first attraction na pupuntahan namin, which is the Peak Tram. So, siya pumunta ako sa Klook. Kita nyo ba? Klook. At nag-book ako ng Victoria Peak. Nice. Kasi sabi nga nila, yung mga napapanood natin sa mga ibang videos or vlogs na sobrang haba daw ng pila dito kapag hindi ka naka-pre-book online through Klook. So, to skip those lines out, nag-book na tayo. Since yun naman talaga yung very first activity na pupuntahan natin today, pagkalapag ng Hong Kong. So, ang bilis lang. Ginamit ko yung aking GoTime card. Sabi nila, goods daw gamitin yung GoTime card sa Hong Kong. Tsaka as well as GCash din. So, nakapag-book na ako. Parang 1,000 per person. Yung kinuha ko yung wala siyang specific date but it's valid from November 1 to 30. So pag binili mo siya, pwede mo siyang gamitin anytime from there. Kasi iba-ibang option yun. So tingnan niyo kung ano yung pinaka-best na masuit sa inyo. Nandiyan yung voucher ko. So ito lang yung papakita ko doon sa counter ng the Peak Tram and Sky Terrace kapag punta namin. Sa mga nagta-travel out there, sobrang convenient talaga yung Klook app. So don't forget to download that app pag wala pa kayo. Sa mga meron naman, enjoy. Wala pa akong unique code eh. Hinihintay pa natin yan. So pag meron na syempre, pwede nyo magamit yan para sa discount. Alright? Cute ng ice, no? Hello. Welcome to Hong Kong. Mika. Welcome to Hong Kong. Okay, we just arrived here in Hong Kong. Very smooth lang yung flight. Hi Mika, ate, Mama T. How do you like the flight? Yes. Welcome to Hong Kong. We just entered Hong Kong. Hey guys. Alright, we are already here in Hong Kong. Nasa arrival hall na tayo. And ayun yung very famous Hello Love Goodbye spot. So right now, nabili ako ng octopus card at saka ng SIM card. And we'll try to process everything. Upuin ko muna sila dyan. Hindi ko alam kung kailangan sila dun pero I'll be doing muna yung stuff. Okay guys, bumibili ako ng octopus card pero ano pala, hindi pala pwede yung card. So mag-withdraw muna tayo. Saan ba maganda mag-withdraw dito? Sabi sa vlogs, Bank of China? Let's see. So, ayun sa Bank of China guys. Dito tayo mag-withdraw. Sobrang new experience to. I'm so happy. So ito guys, gamitin natin itong go time para mag-withdraw. Okay, so ayun, nakapag-withdraw na tayo sa Bank of China. And right now, babalik tayo dun sa bilihan ng octopus card guys. Para tayo ay makapag-withdraw or makabili ng card. Okay, we already got our octopus card. Dito muna kami. After dito is SIM cards naman. Ayan na nga po si ate having her first Hong Kong milk tea. How was it, ate? What's the name of the ano? Masarap? Oh. Okay, so we decided to take the bus. Hi, ate. So ito yung eksena natin ngayon. Si Tintin. Uy, lamig. Outdoors na to pero malamig. Yan, oily na ako. Ay, Mika. We are already here at the bus station. Tapos, because we are staying at the Tsim Sha Tsui area, dito kami sa bus 821. Yeah, very helpful lahat ng vlogs na napapanood natin kasi nagagamit natin yun ngayon na travel tayo. So we're taking the bus to the city, going to our hotel, to drop off our luggage and to have lunch. Our very, very first meal here in HK. Gutom na kami. See you guys. Hello, we are already here at the 821 bus. This is yung take sa amin from the airport to the city. Okay naman pala siya kasi mabilis ang alis. Medyo dami lang namin karga kaya talagang super kailangan alerto. Pero ngayon lang to, pag nakarating kami sa hotel, light na kami. So, there's Mika.
并谨记于下车时携带您的行李，祝您旅途愉快。座位上中国已经安请机票上。
Konti lang naman yung sakay. Mostly Filipinos din na kasabay namin sa flight. Siguro doon din yung area nila. So travel time is like 1 hour. Kaya makapag-relax muna kami. Mamaya bakbakan. Tapos konting lakad na lang. Drop off the luggage and have lunch. Okay, kahit lamog-lamog na. We are already here at malapit na sa hotel. Bumaba na tayo. Hirap pala mag-bus. So lesson learned kapag maraming gamit. So ito na yung hotel natin. That's the Eden. Alright. Okay guys, we're going up the elevator here at Eden. I'm with Adam here. Hello, thank you for being so helpful. And the good thing is the room is now available. Supposed to be it's on at 3 p.m. but thank goodness. Shout out to Ivan also at the reception. So we're gonna check out the room and put the luggages in. Thank you, Adam.
Okay, this is 16 floor.
Alright. What's our room number again?
This is 25, right?
Alright. Alright guys, sobrang saya ko sa nakuha kong room dito. Perfect talaga siya sa aming family. Sobrang pagod na namin, but ipapasok lang namin yung karga here. Ito na si Adam. Hi! And we're leaving out the luggages and we're going for our super duper late, long overdue lunch. Ayun yung McDo, tatawid tayo na. McDo muna tayo, labas na lang tayo mamaya. How was it? Okay, thank you. 谢谢. Ito crispy thighs. Ayun. What's that? Potato grids. And what's that? The choco pie. Wow. Tapos ito yung signature collection, Angus mushroom. Let's check out. Whoa. Look at the burger, guys. I ordered for the Angus with mushroom. Tapos meal siya with the potato grids.
Milk tea.
Okay, Ovaltine milk tea. Okay. Nagkaka-language barrier kami. Buti kasama namin si Mami. Burger, guys.
Dalawa daw. Oh, tama.
Sarap dito tumira.
Okay.
Sarap tumira kasi
Okay. Tama, nag-try ka nito. No?
You wanna try?
Masarap kaya. Ano sa Pilipinas eh.
Gusto matitry tayong wala sa Philippines, di ba ate?
walang garibitan na.
Inaatap din nila kung saan bansa. Ano?
Tapos tulog na.
Ngayon, may mga gawin, hindi tayo makatulog.
Hindi, mapapagod tayo kaya mag-alala. Lalakarin natin. Victoria tayo. Kaya mag-one ride tayo ng train pa Kimsatse.
Anong oras ka?
Before 8, kasi 8 o'clock yung symphony flight.
Saan ba pupunta?
Malamig daw dito paggabi, sabi ni Bible. Let's try the chicken.
Gawin natin sa CV.
Tama na, flavor na parang Cajun gano'n. Ha? Mas, takong burger na.
Hindi ko ba chicken nila? Parang
Bili pa tayo.
tinola.
Bili pa tayo.
Ano?
Tinola yung
So, ayan na po. Nakahanap na si Madam ng kanyang paraiso. That's great. Sarap ng fruits. Persimmon. Apples. Ang bango. Hi. Dito yung likod, dito yung elevator going to the rooms. And in front of our hotel is 7-Eleven. Ako here. Money exchange. 7-Eleven. Let's check out what they had.
Yeah. Ay, what is this? I'm just curious.
Coffee, soda. Ito, tikman natin ba? BLT. Kumuha ko ng Coke. Ang cute ng Coke nila. Ayun. Ito ba, Choy? Favorite. Iced tea. Okay, hi guys. We are finally at our hotel room. After how many hours nagising, makakatulog na rin ako. We just came back from McDonald's. Sobrang gutom na namin. Kaya we were supposed to eat at Cafe de Coral, pero hindi na namin kinayang maglakad. Kaya yung hotel namin is in front of McDonald's. Good thing naman, sobrang sarap. Nakita nyo naman sa previous video yung aming, late or lunch. Tapos, ano pa ba? We passed by 7-Eleven, bumili kami ng soft drinks para meron kaming drinks. Sobrang ganda nitong hotel na to. It comes complete with facilities. Bigyan ko kayo ng room tour on a separate vlog. And yun, we are supposed to go to the Peak Tram pero hindi na kinaya ng powers namin. Siguro ipapahinga na lang muna namin now. Tapos, buti na lang yung nabili kong ticket sa Klook is an open ticket. Hindi yung dated. So, from November 1 to 30, pwede natin gamitin yun. So, baka nabukas na lang namin gawin yun. Tonight, after pagkagising, we might walk along Nathan Road. Tapos, or mag-train going to Victoria Harbor, Avenue of Stars, and watch the Symphony of Lights. And after that, walk na naman, food trip, and si Mika nakakita ng Pop Mart na malapit. So, patay tayo dyan. Okay, siesta muna kami and I'll see you tonight. Bye!